It's the 3rd of July and we're throwing off fireworks.
That one is awesome. I felt that go by my head. That's pretty cool. I love that. You gotta hang that in your house.
I'm hanging this one in my house. Or in my room. That room is my house, I guess.
Watch out, Tabby. I don't want you to get scared.
No, JD's throwing off a little...
I burned myself on too many times.
I love this guy.
I don't like those.
I love those.
That was like awesome. Hey, you're so awesome.
Kelly Hansen.
You and Kelly Hansen.
Oh, you love me.
Remember, we're supposed to get married.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to get married.
Me and Shannon are getting married, guys, but we haven't set the date.
Oh, by the way, I'm already married with Lindsay.
Oh, okay. Can I be a bridesmaid? Yes, you can.
You're my bridesmaid.
You're my groomsmaid. Okay.
You're my bridesmaid and her groomsman, okay?
Okay, that works.
I want my bridesmaids to all wear like tuxes and the groom to all wear like dresses. Be amazing. And then the ring bearer is gonna walk down the aisle as Frodo.
Purple tux?
Yes. And then like the ring bearer is gonna walk down the aisle in a Frodo cosplay outfit. Oh yeah. Well, Ryan can get over it. You're hanging out with family tonight, man.
Oh, wait. I don't think that works.
You can get up by the front too.